Did you know the world's smallest volcano is Comate in Puebla, Mexico? Standing just 43 feet tall, this tiny volcanic cone is often mistaken for a well. In the Philippines, Taal Volcano is famous for being one of the smallest active volcanoes, sitting on an island within a lake on an island. Even Italy has Monte Nuovo, which formed in 1538 and is only about 440 feet high. These miniature volcanoes prove that size doesn't always matter when it comes to geological wonders. Subscribe for more amazing facts and like if you enjoyed this video.